Hello, everyone. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear us? Welcome, everyone. Hello. Welcome to join the EG1510XS webinar. We are the hosts for today. I'm Henry from marketing team.
Okay, hello everyone. Nice to see you. I'm Joshua, GTM of Reyee Router. So, Henry, what content are we going today?
Yep. Today's topic is outstanding case study of EG1510XS, our newly launched flagship business router. And for you guys haven't seen a real device yet, please watch the following VCR.
Cloud. Make your business easy.
Okay, this video is amazing. I think EG1510 looks very powerful.
Yeah.
And as a flagship gateway, in what scenarios can it be deployed, Henry?
Yep. As a supreme product, the EG1510 can be deployed in multi-branch enterprises and star-rated hotels, employee accommodations, schools, and other multi-user network egress.
Okay, I got it. So that seems great. Like so many mid to high-end scenarios can be admitted to like EG1510.
Yep.
So what are the advantages of EG1510?
Yeah, the 1510 features high concurrency and high throughput, along with several distinctive functions such as captive portal, load balancing, smart queues, easy VPN, HD Bay extension for syslog, NAT traversal, and more, which can meet most of our customers' requirements.
Okay, so that sounds super great. But I still have some doubts. Like for example, EG1510 like the flagship one, you know, right? Has high concurrency, can support like 1,500 concurrent clients. So in this situation, can it like provide stable performance? So, and about the load balancing, what is the effective of load balancing? Will like big latency or like package lost when load balancing? Maybe. And about the queues, what the strategy queues do we have, and what the policy of it? So, Henry.
Yep. And that's exactly the purpose for today's session. Well, showcasing the powerful capability of the EG1510, we will also brought along multiple case studies and customer testimonies. Seeing is believing.
Yep.
The first concern you just mentioned is about the device performance under high pressure concurrency, and whether deployment and management could be much more complex, right?
Yep.
Yep.
And exactly like in scenarios with you just mentioned school, hotel, or like enterprise office, these are high scenarios. So in these scenarios, your EG like act as exit gateway. So the performance should be very good. But if there is something occur or just maybe failure with the network, that will be disastrous.
Yes. As a flagship main device of your egress gateway, our R&D team has devoted a great deal of effort to protect this product. Next, Let's take a look at our testing environment at Fuzhou headquarters, where more than 1,000 devices are tested simultaneously concurrently. Let's see it.
Okay. Yes, that's fantastic. I see so many devices, so many racks. So, and maybe so many tests. Yeah.
Yes.
So, I still want to, I still want some real projects. So what is or what was EG1510 acts in true projects?
Absolutely. As today is a showcase night, and after the EG1510 was launched on April, and it quickly rolled out our many pilot projects around the world. Do you remember the major festival in Thailand in April?
April, the Songkran Festival to celebrate the New Year of Thai.
Yes.
Yes, I think it's on April in 12th to 15th.
Yes.
Bangkok.
In Bangkok, yes.
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
Indeed. The EG1510 makes its debut at this major ceremony. Our key partner was the maskman behind the screen. Next, he will present us with a wonderful case of EG1510 in Thailand. Please watch this video made by John Wick the Miracle.
Okay, welcome.
It's basically for me for the share with the experience install with the gateway. Basically, I used to explain with the why we choose with the gateway EG model and share with the experience after I deploy this gateway and feedback from customer and also what the feature I use with the gateway. Okay. Hello everyone. I'm from Thailand. My name is John Wick. You can call me this nickname. Okay. For my story with the case success, I use with the gateway model EG1510XS. Traditionally, we have the festival, water festival. As you know, the big event in the Thailand. So my customer need to use with the gateway can support with the grace join this event, and my customer worry with the problem with the hardware not support. So I present with him. We have the new gateway. Can you try? Can you let me to try deploy this event? My customer, okay. You can try. Okay. Then I install with the gateway and recommend bandwidth from ISP. Multi-gig can support or not? Yes, this gateway I can, and you can test with the hotspot login. Yeah, this gateway I can. Okay, no worries. Okay, then I deploy this model. After I deploy this gateway and use this event, customer is very happy because it's many people use this event. The support work with the VVIP grade, support work with the Wi-Fi zone, with the beverage scan payment with the online. Yeah. My customer is very happy after we use this is the first story with me for the big event in Thailand. And the next chapter. Okay, these people join come with this event is many a lot. When the customer join this event a lot, we will have something. Many people do the live stream, right? The take photo and the send traffic many a lot. Then the problem with the signal Wi-Fi, the signal with the 4G, 5G is poor. So have with the effect when the someone need to the scan or the transfer data, or maybe the effect with the live streaming. Yeah, but gateway we can support this function. And this the hardware equipment I deploy. The gateway I use with the EG1510 and connect with the switch PoE NBS 3200. Connect by interface for 10 gig. It's okay, no problem. This the topology is connect. This side we have the equipment same like this, the CCTV also, live streaming also. The first connect this client connect It's very easy to use because we have the cloud management control and capture with the report sent to customer every day after the close event. It's great for me. Yeah. This the traffic bandwidth we test with the customer, show to him. It's okay. And check this report with the every day, check with the latency, check with the CPU. It's not peak, it's hardware, it's not high peak CPU. This the overview, the report, and the application customer to use for every day. The traffic is really use traffic a lot in this year.
Yep.
And after I discuss our customer is very excited with the new gateway, this model, because we can do the pattern with another brand, same like this MicroTik. And why I chose with the Reyee because it's really to use, it's really to config, and it's your team the good support.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much, Ron. Thank you very much for sharing us the wonderful case studies. And actually, Ron has sent me more than actually 4 cases.
Whoa.
Because we have only limited time tonight. And one story about the hotel, and the other one is a high school. All got very, very good background, very good scenario. Maybe we will discuss it later in next webinar, maybe.
Yeah. The festival case about John Wick, I think is so inspiring. Yeah.
Yes.
I can't wait to. I think I can't wait to rush to like Thailand to contact with John Wick. The rest of the cases.
Right.
Yes, but yes, I think they are so attractive to me.
Yes. That's the reason why he's called the John Wick's miracle. But don't worry anyway. After we get the end customer's approval, we will also share these cases on social media to reach more people. Next, let's talk about another common feature, the load balancing.
Okay, so just as we learned, EG1510 has 10 ports and support up to 9 WAN ports.
Yep.
So which means it can implement a load balancing mode with like WAN bonding with 9 WAN port, 9 WAN. Yes,
exactly.
9 ports, and as well as support an active and passive mode.
Yep, correct. These are the features that are frequently used in actual projects, especially in scenarios involving multi-WAN. So far as I know, the EG1510 that placed in the projects mostly turn on load balancing already. And also this feature help us do hardware transition changing easily.
Really?
Yeah.
So how exactly should the EG be configured for like multi-WAN port load balancing? And is it particularly complex?
Not at all. Reyee routers combined with the powerful Reyee cloud are designed to provide the most efficient deployment and management features. I dare to say no other product in the same category does it better than us. So to give everyone a more intuitive understanding of the powerful and simple functionality of EG, we offered the EG guidance show videos. Please watch the first VCR next.
Okay.
Demo environment. EG1510XS ES205 GCP RAP 2260G. Set correct port configurations in WAN settings. Two steps configuration. 1. Select Smart Load Balancing. 2. Set WAN port priority. Connect 3 ISP network cables. Three ISP links are working properly. Connect a computer and turn on a high-definition online video. Verify the port traffic. 10 and 11 are transmitting data simultaneously. Unplug 10 and 11. The backup 12 started instantly. The high-definition video continued to play seamlessly. Connect WAN 1 cable. The traffic switched back automatically and WAN 2 stopped. The video still played with zero latency. Connect WAN 0 back. Both WAN links started traffic load balancing right away. Start speed test when 3 ISP links connected. 17 megabits per second bandwidth in total, WAN 0 and WAN 1 aggregation. Unplug WAN 0. Only 9 megabits per second bandwidth left. The traffic turned to WAN 1. Now unplug both WAN 1 and WAN 0. The backup link, WAN 2, was activated.
Yeah, though it's just a small guidance video and small test, I also know that our load balancing can do like failover and so smoothly, yes, and so fast.
Yes.
So I think we do have some advantages. So I bet do we have any comparison about like to our to other brand?
Yeah, of course. Do you still remember how many steps we used to just turn on the smart load balancing?
I think within 3 steps.
Yeah, actually only 2.
Okay.
The first one is you find out where the smart load balancing is turned on and then set the limitation of the strategy. Then it's done.
Okay.
But this is also why I was so confident earlier in saying that we are among the top in the industry. Just from the configuration interface alone, the setup from many other competitors could be very challenging for even a professional technician. Just let's check this.
Okay.
This is the other brand. Yeah, the M brand. Yeah, first of all, the interface is completely very, very difficult to read. Yeah.
Gray. Already 5 minutes past. Yes, I think it takes about 10 minutes for an old bird to configure a 3-1 load balancing for this brand. So I can imagine if this configuration happens to me, how long will I take or how difficult it will occur yet.
It's so true. But by using EG instead, you will be sitting in the sofa and drinking a beer at home already.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can tell the difference really huge. The jump of the gap.
So as I know, all our users are enjoying the easy configuration of the load balancing, and of EG, yes. So we are just landed a project in Myanmar. We'll use like 6-1 port load balancing. Like how do our EG win our users? Do you know, Henry?
Yeah, I got some information from this project as well, from our CSE journey, and in our case, the company, the next success is doing an ISP project. Okay. The users think load balancing provided by EG1510 is very easy to configure and very stable compared to other brands. And the user now testing with all the 9 WAN ports for load balancing still got very impressed.
Okay, so yes, I see in the screen the topology shows 9 WAN. They're testing 9.1,
Yeah.
of course.
all
So
the parts.
I think in the future, EG1510 will provide 9.1 in the true projects and to help our customer to expand his business.
Definitely, yes.
Yes.
And hopefully our customers will know and love the load balancing feature of EG1510 more and more. Okay, and I believe that some of our audience might feel a little bit tired already after hearing so many introduction about technologies. Let's start our first round of lucky draw to see who will be the lucky guys of the night.
Yeah, that's attractive.
Right. So for you guys who hasn't got the time to scan the QR code yet, we will save 1 minute for you, and you can scan the QR code on the screen, and then later we will start the first round of lucky draw. And the gift for today will be a $25 Amazon gift card.
Oh,
And
okay.
yes.
So how many guys will?
We'll take 3 lucky guys
okay.
for
3
each
guys.
round. Yes.
Okay.
And let's maybe count down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And Lily, could you please help us to launch the lucky draw page? Thank you. Yeah, and you still have time to scan the QR code.
Yes.
And don't be afraid of how you receive this gift card. We will send it by your email after the verification of your authorization, right? Yeah. And is that all right? 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Lily. Thank you. Actually, I didn't see a screen. Can you share it? No sharing. Just hold on a second. We got some technical issues here, and we have got a right. Actually, we have got a winner. Let's see. Just hold on for a second. 没有听说。Code. Verification code. Sorry for the technical issues, guys, and it's coming soon. I didn't see a page actually. Oh, okay. Nope.
Okay, the winner I see is already.
Yep. Hold on a second.
Share the screen. Yes. Let's check who will be the 3 lucky guys. Yes, guys, you can see the screen, right?
Yep.
3 guys.
And I was lucky that all of the 3 guys are from our partners companies. So
yes.
No Reyee company here. Yeah.
Yes.
And so, definitely there's no black box, just some technical issues. Sorry with that. But anyway, we'll contact you, the 3 lucky guys, later after this event.
Please check your email.
Right.
Okay, let's move on. How about? All right.
Okay. Yep. That always happens, right?
So after the load balancing,
yep.
I think load balancing is splendid.
Mm-hmm.
So besides this, speaking of frequently used features, I think the cavity portal is undoubtedly in the top 3.
Right.
I think. Yes. So can you answer some questions about how many types of portal we have and how user storages their logs when do the authentication?
Yeah, sure. All right. Firstly, looking at the architecture scheme, we have 3 types of deployment-based authentication schemes. The first is all in EG. The Reyee EG is responsible for authentication control, portal page, and authentication itself. All are done locally in our routers,
cool.
right?
Yeah.
And this model is simple to deploy, offers a good user experience, and is not affected by network quality. And second is cloud authentication. EG and cloud link authentication together, where the EG is responsible for authentication control, and our Reyee cloud will handle the portal page and authentication process. This model places less pressure on the router. And the third is the last is the third-party authentication. This model allows sharing of user authentication data with other systems and offering a richer portal functionality.
Yes, I think I already get familiar with this three kind of cavity portal.
Yep.
Yes, but do you mind to speaking to me the how many kind of portal page do we have and how many types do we have?
Yep.
Yes.
We provide the listed 5 cavity portal pages in total: one-click, voucher, account, SMS, and QR code. You can select a suitable interface accordingly, according to your scenario.
Yeah. So that's cool. Yes, and I think it's so maybe a little difficult. Yes, but so comprehensive, I think. So EG1510 can handle a large number of users, so which means it can do more authentication in huge scenario, right? So how do we store all this data, because the user might be 1,000 or more?
Right,
Yes.
exactly. In many countries, such as Thailand, network equipment deployed need to have syslog storage and traceable capability. Currently, the 2.5-inch SATA hard drive extension and the local 8 GB eMMC local storage of EG1510 can store up to 1 year syslogs for compliance audit.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Yes.
Yeah. So we've prepared a case study on the authentication feature, haven't we?
Yes, sure, absolutely. And also still in Thailand, we implemented a project at PAT High School, where the school's main concerns were the cavity portal and multi-user management features. Next, please follow us with a case presentation brought to you by our partner, Creator Design System.
Yes, let's welcome.
Welcome.
สวัสดีครับผมบาสนะครับจากบริษัท Creator Design System จำกัดนะครับก็ตำแหน่งที่ทำอยู่เนี่ยก็คือเป็นตำแหน่งเรื่องของ Solution Architect นะครับก็คือเป็นการจัด Solution วิทยาลัยเทคโนโลยีปัญญาพิวัตรนะครับเป็นโรงเรียนในเครือของบริษัท CPO จำกัดมหาชนซึ่งมีจำนวนศูนย์การเรียนทั้งสิ้นเนี่ยอยู่ที่19ศูนย์การเรียนนะครับทางบริษัท Creator Design System จำกัดเนี่ยก็ได้รับโอกาสในการเข้าไปดูแลระบบเครือข่ายให้กับทางวิทยาลัยครับเนื่องจากว่าอุปกรณ์เก่านะครับตัวเกตเวย์ตัวเก่าของทางวิทยาลัยที่ใช้งานเนี่ยได้ยกเลิกการผลิตไปแล้วนะครับทำให้ทางเราเนี่ยเลยต้องหาอุปกรณ์สินค้าที่มีการรับประกันนะครับไม่น้อยกว่า3 ปีนะครับเข้าใช้งานนะครับโดยทางวิทยาลัยเนี่ยมีการแยกการใช้งานอินเทอร์เน็ตเนี่ยแบ่งออกเป็นครูและนักเรียนนะครับทำให้การกำหนดสิทธิการเข้าใช้งานเนี่ยทางเราก็จะทำหน้าเว็บ Cavity Portal ขึ้นมาเพื่อให้ทางครูและนักเรียนทำการล็อกอินก่อนการใช้งานอินเทอร์เน็ตทุกครั้งครับสำหรับที่นี่นะครับก็จะมีความต้องการ2ระบบนะครับในส่วนแรกเนี่ยก็จะมีเรื่องของครูและก็ส่วนของนักเรียนนะครับสำหรับครูเนี่ยในการทำ User Authent เนี่ยเราก็จะทำผ่านระบบที่ชื่อว่า Radius Authent นะครับโดยการไปผูกกับ Radius Server นะครับในขณะที่ส่วนของนักเรียนเนี่ยเราก็จะทำการสร้างเป็น Local Authent ขึ้นมาในตัว Gateway ของเราครับสาเหตุที่เราต้องเลือกใช้นะครับตัว Gateway รุ่น EG1510XS ตัวนี้นะครับเนื่องจากว่าตัวนี้เนี่ยรองรับการใช้งานนะครับถึง 1,500 user concurrent เลยนะครับซึ่งให้แบบจำนวนที่ค่อนข้างที่จะเยอะนะฮะแล้วก็สามารถนะครับใส่เรื่องของการเก็บล็อกเนี่ยเราสามารถใส่ตัว disk ลงไปในตัวอุปกรณ์ได้นะครับซึ่งจะสามารถรองรับการเก็บหลอกเนี่ยตามพรบเนี่ยได้ถึง90 วันนะครับแล้วก็นี่คือหน้าเว็บนะครับซึ่งเป็นระบบคลาวด์ที่ลุยเจียให้มานะครับเป็นระบบคลาวด์ที่ฟรีนะครับนี่คือสิ่งที่ดีมากนะครับของทางลุยเจียจากในเว็บเนี่ยเราก็จะเห็นได้ว่าตัวอุปกรณ์ที่เราไปติดตั้งเนี่ยมีทั้งหมดตอนนี้นะครับมีทั้งหมด10 สาขานะครับก็จะทำหน้าที่ user authent ให้กับทางศูนย์การเรียนทั้งหมดครับแล้วนี่คือหน้าตาของลุยเจียคลาวด์นะครับก็จะเห็นว่าในโปรเจกต์เนี่ยเราก็มีทั้งหมดตอนนี้เราทำอยู่นะครับมีทั้งหมด10 ศูนย์การเรียนรู้นะครับเดี๋ยวผมเอาให้ดูนะครับว่ามีอะไรยังไงบ้างนะครับเบื้องต้นเนี่ยเราก็สร้าง user นะครับเอาไว้นะครับบนคลาวด์นะครับเป็น user ของทางนักเรียนนะครับโดยการกำหนดเรื่องของสิทธิ์ต่างๆเนี่ยเราก็ทำรูปขึ้นมานะครับการอัปโหลดการดาวน์โหลดเนี่ยก็จะอยู่ที่ไม่เกิน10 เมกะบิตเปอร์เซกนะครับนี่คือ user ของนักเรียนนะครับในขณะที่ user ของทางอาจารย์หรือว่าคุณครูเนี่ยเราก็จะใช้เป็นกระบวนการของ .1x ก็คือเป็น radius ขึ้นมานะครับนี่ฮะก็สามารถเชื่อมตัวอุปกรณ์เกตเวย์ของเราเนี่ยไปคุยกับทาง radius server ได้นะครับสำหรับให้อาจารย์เนี่ยล็อกอินนะครับส่วนหน้าตาในการทำ captive portal เนี่ยเราก็จะทำผ่านคลาวด์นะครับจะอยู่ตรงหน้า captive portal แบบนี้นะครับกำหนดได้เลยว่าต้องการหน้าตาเป็นแบบไหนอย่างไรนะครับซึ่งค่อนข้างที่จะสะดวกแล้วก็สามารถปรับเปลี่ยนได้อย่างสะดวกมากๆครับสำหรับจากที่เราได้เข้าไปติดตั้งนะครับอุปกรณ์ลุยเจียรุ่น EG1510XS นะครับตอนนี้ก็ผ่านมา1 เดือนแล้วนะครับลูกค้าเนี่ยประทับใจมากนะครับเนื่องจากว่าตัวลุยเจียเนี่ยให้ระบบคลาวด์ที่ฟรีนะครับสำหรับการมอนิเตอร์ลิงนะครับก็จะเห็นทั้งหมดเลยว่าอุปกรณ์เราเป็นอย่างไรนะครับสถานะต่างๆนะครับแล้วก็ที่สำคัญเนี่ยหน้า GUI เนี่ยดูง่ายมากนะครับแล้วก็การ configuration ก็ค่อนข้างง่ายมากนะครับที่สำคัญการเก็บหลอกครับตัวอุปกรณ์เนี่ยสามารถเก็บหลอกได้ในตัวเองนะครับแล้วก็สามารถที่จะส่งหลอกไปเก็บไปยังอุปกรณ์ภายนอกได้ด้วยนะครับและนะครับตัวอุปกรณ์เนี่ยยังรับประกันสินค้าถึง3 ปีครับ
Yeah, from this video, I think indeed school is like a traditional place to do the authentication, right?
And also integrate to third party.
As our customer, he do like the local authentication and also the radius authentication.
Yeah, exactly.
And for like 19 study center,
right.
The big school, I think.
Right. Yeah, it's a very large one and top one. Yes.
Yeah. So about they say is like the third parties in the radius authentication. So I wonder if our third party integration is that complex to do the integration or very complex work about the integration?
No, not at all. We commonly see 3 types of integration: third-party portal system, radio server, and web servers. And in terms of joint protocols, we support both Wi-Fi DOG and WSPR, with the latter being widely used across many third-party platforms. This integration process mainly involves 3 steps. The first, both parties work together to integrate the underlying code based on the API documentation provided by Reyee you can see on screen.
Yeah.
And the second is select the protocol in your eWeb or in your cloud. Actually, it's in eWeb, sorry. And the third is a config and test it.
Yeah.
And in the initial joint development phase is the most time-consuming one because you need to develop some codes. But once it's completed, we can directly configure it in the projects next.
So I have a question.
Right.
Which third-party manufacturers have we like completed joint development with?
Whoa, there are many. To my knowledge, captive portal integration with over 30 companies worldwide have been completed and are already in use now in our eWeb.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. We also welcome more companies to collaborate with us to build an ecosystem together, putting the technical work up front and leaving the enjoyment to the customers, right?
Yes, and also we open our API to to let others to do the integration, right?
Exactly. Yes, we can support that. Yes.
So there is so much information, I think, about the balancing, the portal, and the integration. So we need more time to consume, I think. But another core function of the EG1510, I think, is the flow control. Also, we call queues.
Right.
So how many queue strategies in total do we have, Henry?
Yeah. For the queues, for the gateway outbound traffic control, we offer 5 queues functionalities.
Okay, 5.
Yes. The first one is the smart queues, and it's a unique technique. And it's currently still called smart flow control in our system, which will be renamed soon to queues later. And the second is custom queues, user queues, VPN queues, PPPoE queues. Each have different application scenarios and priorities.
Yes, I can judge from its name. Yes.
Yes.
Different scenario, right?
Yes. So different.
It's a pity we have limited time, or I want to learn them one by one, like the custom, the user, the VPN. Yes. So, which queue strategy is the most commonly used in EG or in our brand?
Yeah, it has to be our smart queues, as I mentioned.
Yes.
Please watch the actual VCR next, and you will see why.
Okay. Oh, lovely music, I think.
Yes.
Yes, I think smart queues is so intelligent. Yes, through this video, it's powerful and easy to use, and of course I can, though it's just a little part of queues, right? And it's just a little test, but I can still tell the benefits of the queues, of the smart queues. Yes.
Yes, this is only maybe 10% of the queues functionality.
Maybe 5.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. But you can tell that anyway, no matter how you can do the configuration, the effect, the result will be very straightforward, because our testing environment has only 20 megabytes upstream limit.
Yes.
So that's the reason why you can see once a person is downloading something, then all the other business application will be freezed, and no one can even work. So except the smart queues, all other queues are also essential in different scenarios. And why don't you have a try as soon as possible? Yeah.
So smart queues is both simple and powerful.
Yes.
So it comes to the last piece of the puzzle, and we all we talk it day by day, right? We want to monitor our camera. We want to remote to configure the camera remotely. Yes, we don't want to go to the site. Yes, that's wasting time. So let's come to the function, the NAT traversal. So how is our NAT traversal used, and how exactly it worked?
Right.
Yeah.
NAT traversal is a feature implemented by the gateway in conjunction with Reyee Cloud, with facilitates easy access to internet network applications from the external network. It is free of charge, and as you all know, it's very good in the CCTV scenario. So please watch the VCR.
Yes.
NAT traversal enables external networks to access the intranet. In CCTV scenarios, it allows for remote access to NVR configurations or the viewing of recorded videos, thereby making remote operation and maintenance more efficient. Open the CCTV project in Reyee Cloud. Click click NAT traversal in the device configuration. Click Add Tunnel. Define the APP name, type, internal host IP address. Click OK. The NAT traversal tunnel will be created instantly. The internal and external IP can be observed. The tunnel expiration period is 3 hours by default. Click the Configure button to enter the tunnel. The browser will redirect to the external IP, input the login credentials of the IPC. You will see a clear intranet CCTV image, and all settings can be modified remotely. Now you can also turn on the 5G of your mobile phone. Log in Reyee Cloud APP. Click the NAT traversal in scenario page of your project. And enjoy your intranet CCTV trip with a click of Go.
Yeah, that's cool. I think now I can, just as you say, sit in the sofa and drinking beer and do the configuration even to the NVR and to the camera.
Right, exactly.
Yes. So we solved the final puzzle of the EG1510.
Yeah.
I think. Yes, I all get understanding of these features.
It's great.
Yeah.
And so let's review the initial puzzle map again. We have answered all the 6 questions in LAN and hope you guys are happy now. And our VAD in Spain received the EG1510 and do a POC test. The project manager Vincent sent us a video. Let's have a look.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Vicente Matatoros, the Networking Product Manager at Visiotech. I'm following our POC of the Reyee professional router EG1510XS. I confidently recommended this high performance solution. The Reyee router excels in outstanding performance. It delivers lightning fast internet speeds using advanced technology and VPN support for ensuring secure network management. Flexible deployment is designed to seamlessly adapt to various organizational needs. User-friendly interface, of course, offers a simple setup process and intuitive management through both web interface and mobile app. In my opinion, the Reyee professional router is ideal for hotels, schools, and office alike, supporting up to 1,500 users. This product consistently demonstrated its capability to meet the connectivity demands of modern organizations during our POC. Based on these results, I believe this router is an excellent fit for your needs.
Yeah, really appreciate Vincent for the sincere compliment. And further than that, we still have one more topic for today.
One more topic.
Yes.
So one more topic. I think I already guessed what is it.
Right. It is the incoming
SD-WAN solution.
Yes, SD-WAN Reyee. And the traditional one is an old technology that exists for decades. The more and more branches drive the enterprise to deploy the SD-WAN to reduce cost. So SD-WAN is a trend of wide area network.
Yeah, so Reyee SD-WAN can provide a much cheaper internet connection with private IP.
Yes.
And at the same time, guarantee the experience, right?
Exactly. And Reyee SD-WAN will help multi-branch customers to solve the problem in WAN. With the advantages of EG1510XS, we just introduced, including load balancing, queues, captive portal, etc. You can build a SD-WAN environment with private IP only. That saves a lot and it's very easy to configure. And EG1510 is one very suitable for the deployment of the headquarters with other models of EG implemented by in the branches as well. Right.
Completed.
And further than that, Reyee SD-WAN can provide 2 unique values where routers and the Reyee Cloud, which are zero-touch provisioning and visual operation and maintenance data board to help our customers simplify the deployment and maintenance.
Yes, like your you said are very attractive.
Right.
Yes, I think indeed. But I want to, this solution will launch, I think, in the middle of September. And I wonder if there is some interface to you can show to me, like I can have a look of the features and the interface of SD-WAN solution.
Yeah, actually it's under testing already. So let's log on to the SD-WAN testing webpage and see what does SD-WAN really looks like.
Okay.
Yep. So as you can see, this is a testing project. Sorry for that. I will log it on.
Okay.
Yep.
I think this is Reyee Cloud, right?
Right. This is just log on by my password, and you can see. If we go back to the home, and the difference is if you click the button of
This
service
page is
here,
familiar,
right?
I think.
And there is a SD-WAN here icon, but it's not in the previous software because it will be incoming. It's still under test. And if you click the SD-WAN, and you will see a monitoring image. And this is the project I created before.
Yes, it's a true project, right?
Right.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
actually just if you click the map here, and in the future for the global version, we will
Use Google
integrate
Map.
with Google. Yes, Google
Okay.
Map. And for this one, it's still in Chinese, it's Chinese map. And this project is about 8 branches, and you can see the links traffics and the quality here. The all 8 links, and 7 of them are normal and 1 is disconnected. And you can tell from this visual graphic as well. And each of this, you can click it. For example, if you click the link, yes, you can see the details of the links and where about the WAN policy, ports, and whether you have used a VPN or not, and the date of the link details.
So can I click the device?
Yes, sure. If you click one of the site, for example, let's enlarge this. This is the headquarters of our Fuzhou office.
Yeah, 1510, I see.
Yeah, if you click this one, you can see the EG1510 here, right? You can see how many ports are connected and whether the device is okay. And you can even upgrade the device here via the software, right? And also, if you turn on the application traffic observation, you can see all the traffic here and all the clients, how many connected. Yes.
Yeah, so I can manage all the projects in this interface.
Exactly.
Wow, that's cool.
Right. And if you want to see more details, if you click the view details here, it will get you back to this device in your project. Yes.
Yeah.
And then you can do all the settings and all the functionalities we
configuration, right?
Right, exactly.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes. And let's go back to a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, back to SD-WAN. Yes. So you just show me are all like the monitoring. So, and you said that another the advantages is like configuration.
Yes,
so,
ATP.
Can you explain to me the configuration advantage?
Sure. Before that, you can see in our project, because we have 8 branches and all the device informations are here, right? The headquarters. And if you want to do the configurations, and we provide 2 ways. The first one is called pre-config template, and the other one is a normal template. What's the difference? If you click a pre-config template here, for example, I will create one.
Oh.
Anyway, you can create a duplicate one.
So
you can see on your left-hand side, there's many icons here, many functions.
Yes.
You can set up any functions here. For example, if we pick up the wireless and we want to set up the SSID before for our branches, before even our router device arrived, we can do this because it's called pre-config.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
So we we write the testing here, and also we can do like load balancing as well, as we introduced. Now the load balancing here, you can select the smart load balancing strategy, right?
Yeah.
And pick up 2 ones. It's just for instance, and then you can create this per config.
About branch, right?
Right. Actually, it's HQ.
Okay, headquarters.
Right. And we create a pre-config template. Then you can see.
So I think I see there are 2 ways to do the configuration. The first is you can create new project and you can add your SN code, though the device is not switched to the electronic or switch to the internet.
Yes,
you can just
the device
add
is off.
SN code to the project,
right? And
then add the project to the SD-WAN solution,
yes.
to the SD-WAN feature, and then you can apply the template we just create to the project, and then after you switch the power and switch the power on and connect to the internet, the template will be downloaded from the cloud to the device.
Yes.
And the configurations are okay.
Yes, that's the reason why we call it zero-touch provisioning.
Yes.
So you don't even have to touch the device. You don't even need to take it out of the box.
Yeah.
You just configure this template first. Then you send the router over to the branch, and someone pick it and connect it on LAN, and the configurations will be downloaded automatically from the cloud.
Yes.
Right. And if you put the device online already, then you can use a normal template as well. Right. So let's go back to our
yes.
Right. To our slide.
So okay, we just see the interface of the SD-WAN and also the true projects of the SD-WAN.
Yes.
Now are under testing.
Right.
Yes. So this is only warm up over SD-WAN, and the features we show are just a little of it.
Yes.
Yes, and the official solution will be launched very soon. I think in the middle of September.
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe 2 months.
So,
1 month or 2 months.
Why don't you just purchase, or why don't you just get one EG1510 to get familiar with its features, with its hardwares, because it's just recommended as the headquarters.
Right.
Yes, and after the SD-WAN solution is here, you get the requirements. You can just handle it smoothly already.
Exactly.
Yes.
Purchase a EG1510 now and get familiar with the hardware. Then when the SD-WAN feature is launched, you can handle it smoothly already.
Yeah.
Right. So I think that would be all the introduction for our case studies today of EG1510. But before we come to an end, let me invite you to finish a quick survey on our webinar. You will receive a survey. Yes, and please take your time to fill it. And also, if you are interested in joining the SD-WAN trial, please leave your email address in the last question of the poll.
And if you are interested in the functions mentioned in the webinar, like the load balancing, the queues, and so on, you can just remember to fill in the survey. And if you have any suggestions, you have any other things, you can just fill it, because I am the GTM of the router,
and I'm the marketing guy.
Marketing, we are all in charge of router. So we will get your informations, and we are responsible for it.
Okay, I'll send it again. Hold on a second. I think. What about now?
Yes, now you can see the survey.
Can you see the survey
in the interface? I think.
Yeah. Okay, we'll take maybe 2 more minutes, and for you guys to fill it out. Please take your time anyway, because it's very valuable for us. And also, don't forget to leave your email address, your contact information in last question, and if you want to try this SD-WAN later. And also, don't hurry to leave yet. There's one more round of lucky draw waiting. So please just take your time, take maybe 1 more minute to fill the survey. And then we'll start the last round of the lucky draw. And 3 more lucky guys will receive a $25 Amazon gift card.
Yeah.
Right.
So can I join the lucky draw?
Yeah, sure. You can
Yeah,
join,
really?
but we won't give you the gift.
Okay.
We have a rule
That's
here.
really sad.
Yeah, sorry about that. If any colleagues from our company, from Reyee company, got this lucky draw, win this lucky draw, we will just start the lucky draw again, because we need to give this opportunity to all our partners instead of our local colleagues, right?
Yeah.
And I think I will count down in 5, then we will move to the next stage, because getting to the time already.
Okay.
Okay, so 5, 4. Anyway, I'll leave this survey here. I won't close it. So we can go to the next page and start our last round of lucky draw. And this time, yes, as I mentioned, we still have 3 more people for the lucky guys. Lily, could you try to launch the lucky draw page? Is that working? I think it's working now this time. Yes, right, we can see it.
Yeah.
This time. Right, this time we can see who will be the lucky winners for tonight for the last round. Yeah, let's pick 3
Let's
people.
count down, okay?
And let's count down from 3,
And
right?
roll the screen.
Yes.
Okay.
3,
2,
2,
1.
1,
Roll.
go.
Okay.
Round,
okay.
round. Oh,
And
okay.
the
All
lucky
the
guys
3
are here.
winners are not from Reyee company. Congratulations to you guys.
Okay, congratulations.
We'll contact you by email, right?
Okay, also
No
thank
worries
you,
about the
Lily,
gift card.
for your
Yeah,
yes,
for
for your sharing.
for participation. And let's move back. So
Okay, and at last I want to give a message. So the EG1510 is launched about 3 months.
right.
Yes, and you can see the green part in the map.
Yes.
These are 38 countries are using EG1510 now.
Right, already.
Yes, and thank you all for your full engagement, and thank you all, guys.
Right.
Yes.
And may EG1510XS rapidly enters every corner of the world with your help, of course, and turn this global map all in green soon, I think. And thank you, everyone. See you again in next webinar. Thank you for your time. Thanks for your participation. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. One more? What? Oh, okay. Because someone said the survey got some problems, so we're gonna to send it again.
Okay, I think yes. And if you already fill the survey, you can just ignore it. Yes.
Right. If you have filled it already, then you can just it's time to go.
Yes. And if you have any questions, you can type in the Q&A, and
right.
our R&D team will be here and to answer your questions about EG1510 or any kind of EG products.
Right.
Yes.
Oops. Where's that from? Anyway. Okay, just take maybe 1 more minute to fill the survey. Thank you very much. It's very valuable for us because we will improve our webinar in the future as well. We have more and more webinars incoming.
Yeah.
And you will have.
And of course, the
right.
SD-WAN will also.
Yeah, next one is SD-WAN maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Happy times is always shorted. And thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much, guys.
Okay, thank you
See you
guys.
next time.
See you next
Bye-bye.
time. Bye bye. Bye bye.